Hey people, so this is this cute little room that we are in Pelgaon, and I'll just figure out what the name of this place is, and this is how I look. This is how it is, and this is one of the cutest people I've ever interacted with. Sachi, I mean, I'm just this trip has been like I'm just so grateful for the people I've met, for the experiences I've had. Like I saw snow for the first time, and today I carried a baby lamb. I mean, these are like bucket list items, yeah. So that's what this. We are here in this cute room, thanks to Zostel. We were part of this program, like this initiative called the Kashmir Experience, and yeah, it's 25K for a week. But what I feel is we are basically paying for the petrol. That it was we traveled all across Kashmir, I would say. So that way, it's a beautiful experience, and I'll highly recommend it. So this is how this cute room looks, and I hope this is a neat. Oh, this is the cutest. Look at the. This is the smallest door handle I've ever seen. Have you seen a smaller door handle? It's really cute, and this is how it. I'll just. This is how it looks from here. Yeah, so I'm just glad and happy to be a part of this. So on that note, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes.